Yeah man, one more try man. KTV Herbal Remedies, Etsy. Check out the website. Yeah man, for more like this 10 health benefits of ginger. And yo, we not waste no time, we on we way. Number one, it helps with motion sickness. Anybody with arthritis, any form of pain within the joints, like the one that they're planning now and coming in the future. People who struggle with motion sicknesses can use ginger as an helpful and quick remedy to decrease the nausea associated with this problem. Number two, it improves blood flow. Ginger is composed of magnesium, chromium, and zinc, which are known to help improve blood flow in the body. So make sure now listen. Three, treatment for colds and flu. I have experience with this in a Sugi you know it. It is recommended to take 2 teaspoons or 2 tablets of what? One of them ginger. Yeah. Yes man, tablets. 3 times. You can take it 3 times daily for help with flu and cold symptoms. And it clear up quick. Number four, it's better nutrients for absorption. This means you are likely to be less tired and you will probably notice an improvement in your metabolism as soon as you start consume the ginger. Yeah man. Number five, it decreased the risk of developing colon cancer. Remember, you see that cancer, anybody will catch it. Most time, my father would have said, Jesus could have in your left pocket, you're going down. So before you reach there, so you should know that ginger regulate the consumption. So they say, at the moment I'm saying right now, regulate the consumption of these ingredients may decrease the risk of developing what? Colon cancer, because it go make you pass your waste properly and do something that is called peristalsis, the contraction and relaxation of your alimentary canal. That's the tube from your mouth to your anus. We're at what? Number six, minimize stomach discomfort. Anybody with ulcer stomach, anybody with acid reflux, see it here. Ginger is especially helpful with digestion process since it improves food absorption. It can also minimize the likelihood of developing a stomach ache. Yeah man, number seven, it aids with ovarian cancer. You know me can't call the word there. So anybody that is going through what? Ovarian what? Cancer or cyst fibroids. Several studies suggest that the ingredients can assist in the death of cells that cause the type of cancer that is called ovarian cancer. Number eight, it promotes respiratory health. Anybody that was having a blockage in your what? Bronchole. You know about bronchiolitis? People call it what? Pneumonia. Rubbish name. It's just mucus in the what? The lungs. See best remedy. Number nine, it strengthens the immune system. Yo, this is a natural immunizer. That's why I do it raw like this. Not only for public to buy or purchase, but for my family. And finally, 10 out of the million, it minimizes morning sicknesses. So women, there you have it. You know what is morning sicknesses. If you are pregnant, ginger is a wonderful natural remedy against morning sickness. Yo, I'm out of here, The link is below for you to purchase from my online store, Peace and Light. For my people here in Jamaica, just send me a messenger. I'm out of here. Yes, man. How are you, man? One more try, man. All when the cup not full, we still tank full and stay up full. Even when we get bloody, we stay unbowed, knowledgeable, true virgin.